Everyone tells you to hustle, but no one talks about the 4 p.m. crash at office when you realize that you still have 3 chapters to read tonight. Hello everyone, I am an MBA student working at a CA firm, and honestly, some days I just want to quit. Today, let's talk about balancing a career along with a degree without losing your mind. Mornings are honestly the hardest part of my day. Not because I have to do too much, but because I have to start. Alarm बजता है and I feel like बस 5 मिनट और सो लेती हूँ. But that 5 minute will cost your entire day. I have realized one thing, that if I win my mornings, I win my day. So I stopped checking my phone first thing. No WhatsApp, no Instagram, no emails, nothing. Because the moment you do that, your brain is already reacting instead of thinking. I use what I call my golden hour. 6 AM to 7 AM. ये वो टाइम है जब दुनिया तुमसे कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करती and you can actually focus. And I don't pick easy things over in this slot. I pick the hardest and most annoying subjects. Office is where reality hits. यहाँ पे तुम्हारे goals, तुम्हारे dreams सब साइड पे हो जाता है. Why? Because now you have responsibilities. And the biggest mistake I used to do previously was trying to do everything. The core idea is control your day or else it will control you. I have learned this hard way, that if you don't manage your work properly at your office, then it will definitely follow you home. And if work follows you at home, then the first thing that will suffer is your studies. So now I work in focused 90 minutes blocks. No unnecessary phone use, no random conversations, no multitasking. बस एक काम उठाओ and finish it properly. मतलब आधा अधूरा काम छोड़ने का आदत खत्म. Because incomplete task is equals to mental stress. Of course, it's not always perfect. कभी urgent work आ जाता है, कभी कभी boss calls you in the middle of your flow, कभी कभी system ही hang हो जाता है. But the goal is not perfection. The goal is to control. And let's talk about the biggest myth: lunch break study sessions. Honestly, it's 50-50. कभी कभी I open my books in my lunch break and then 10 मिनट के बाद I realize कि मैं बस book देख रही हूँ, सिर्फ पेजेस पलट रही हूँ और समझ कुछ नहीं आ रहा. And there are some days when I don't study at all. I sit quietly, I eat my food and just breathe. And I have stopped feeling guilty about that. Because every break don't need to be productive. Sometimes your brain needs a pause to survive the rest of your day. My only rule in office is simple. Finish what you can. Don't overextend. And don't carry unnecessary stress back home. Because the moment I leave my office, my second shift begins. By the time I sit down to study, I'm not fresh. I'm exhausted. पूरे दिन काम करने के बाद your body is tired. And more than that, your brain is done. And earlier, I used to fight that. I would open my textbook, start reading, and after 20 minutes, I realized that I don't even remember what I have studied just now. पेज खत्म हो जाता है और दिमाग एकदम blank. That's when I realized that this is not work. So I changed my strategy. Instead of rereading, I started using active recall method, which basically means stop consuming and start testing yourself. जब तुम थके हुए होते हो ना, तुम्हारा ब्रेन कोई भी डेटा एब्जॉर्व नहीं करता, but it can still respond. So instead of rereading the chapter all over again, I started doing this. That I started recalling that what I have just studied right now, can I explain this exact thing to someone else कि उसको भी समझ में आ जाए? And when I realized that इस topic में actual में क्या था, then I started writing it down. Sometimes I used rough paper, sometimes I use flashcards, and sometimes I just speak it loud. जैसे मैं किसी को समझा रही हूँ. Because when you are in a position that you can explain it to somebody else beautifully, that's when you can realize that now you have understood the concept well. I stopped measuring my studies in hours. I started measuring it in terms of clarity. Even 1 hour of active recall is way better than 3 hours of passive reading. This is also the time when I try to make my space feel calm. Clean desk, अच्छी lighting, थोड़ा सा aesthetic desk. Because honestly, it makes me want to sit and study. थोड़ा सा Pinteresty vibe helps us more than we actually think. But let's be real. Every day is not productive. कभी सिर्फ 20 मिनट होता है तो कभी पूरा का पूरा दिन का प्लान ही फ्लॉप हो जाता है. बट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस वन थिंग दैट इट्स नॉट अबाउट डूइंग एवरीथिंग परफेक्टली एवरी डे. इट्स अबाउट शोइंग अप even when you don't feel like it. This journey is not as aesthetic as it looks online. No perfect routines, no perfectly productive days, just a lot of chaos and efforts behind the scenes. Some days you feel in control, some days everything feels so messy, but that does not mean that you're not moving forward, because growth in this phase, it's silent. Every early morning, every tired night, every time you choose discipline over comfort, you are choosing a version of yourself that your future self will be proud of. आज जो इतना टफ लग रहा है वही कल तुम्हारी स्ट्रेंथ बनेगा. एंड इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस एंड फीलिंग द सेम वे, juggling work, studies, pressure, just know this, that you are not alone. There are so many of us fighting this every day out.